Module 6, Best Practices for Designing and Deploying AI Solutions. Designing and deploying AI solutions requires careful consideration of several factors. Here are some best practices for designing and deploying AI solutions. 1. Define the problem. Clearly define the problem you are trying to solve and the business value that the solution will provide. This will help you prioritize and focus on the most important aspects of the project. 2. Choose the right data. Data is the fuel for AI models, and choosing the right data is critical for the success of the project. Make sure the data is relevant, accurate, and representative of the problem you are trying to solve. 3. Use appropriate algorithms. Choose the appropriate algorithms for the problem you are trying to solve. Different algorithms are better suited for different types of problems and data. Also, consider the interpretability and explainability of the algorithms. 4. Train and test the model. Train the model using the appropriate data and algorithms, and test it thoroughly to ensure that it performs well and generalizes to new data. 5. Monitor and maintain the model. Once the model is deployed, it is important to monitor its performance and maintain it over time. This includes retraining the model with new data, updating the algorithms, and testing the model regularly to ensure it continues to perform well. AI project management and documentation. AI project management and documentation are critical aspects of successfully designing and deploying AI solutions. Here are some best practices for managing AI projects and documenting them effectively. 1. Define project goals and objectives. Clearly define the goals and objectives of the project, including the business value it will provide, the scope of the project, and the timelines and resources required. 2. Establish project management processes. Establish project management processes, including project planning, risk management, change management, and communication management. This will help ensure that the project is executed effectively and efficiently. 3. Use Agile project management methodologies. Agile project management methodologies, such as Scrum or Kanban, can be effective for managing AI projects. These methodologies emphasize flexibility, collaboration, and iterative development, which are important for AI projects that involve experimentation and uncertainty. 4. Document the data. Document the data used in the project, including its sources, characteristics, and quality. This will help ensure that the data is accurate and representative of the problem being solved. 5. Document the models. Document the AI models used in the project, including the algorithms used, the model parameters, and the performance metrics. This will help ensure that the models are transparent and can be replicated and improved upon. By following these best practices, you can effectively manage AI projects and document them in a way that is transparent, replicable, and scalable. This will help ensure that the project is successful and provides value to the business. Testing and debugging AI applications. Testing and debugging are critical aspects of developing AI applications. Here are some best practices for testing and debugging AI applications. 1. Test the data. Test the data used in the application to ensure that it is accurate, complete, and representative of the problem being solved. This includes testing the data for quality, consistency, and relevance. 2. Test the model. Test the AI model used in the application to ensure that it is accurate and performs well. This includes testing the model's accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score, as well as testing its ability to generalize to new data. 3. Use test sets and validation sets. Use test sets and validation sets to test the performance of the model on new data that was not used in the training process. This will help ensure that the model can generalize to new data. 4. Use different metrics. Use different metrics to test the performance of the model, including precision, recall, F1 score, and accuracy. This will help ensure that the model is performing well across different metrics. 5. Debug the code. Debug the code used in the application to ensure that it is error-free and performing as expected. This includes testing the code for correctness, performance, and scalability. By following these best practices, you can effectively test and debug AI applications to ensure that they are accurate, reliable, and performant. This will help ensure that the application provides value to the business and its users. Deploying AI applications to production. Deploying AI applications to production can be challenging because it involves integrating the application into the business's IT infrastructure and ensuring that it can handle real-world use cases. Here are some best practices for deploying AI applications to production. Choose the right deployment architecture. Choose the deployment architecture that best fits the application's requirements and the business's IT infrastructure. This includes deciding between cloud-based or on-premise deployment, as well as selecting the appropriate hardware and software stack. 1. Containerize the application. Containerize the AI application using technologies like Docker and Kubernetes. This will help ensure that the application can run consistently across different environments and can be easily scaled as needed. 2. Optimize the application for performance. Optimize the AI application for performance, including reducing its latency, improving its response time, and minimizing its resource usage. This will help ensure that the application can handle real-world use cases and can provide value to the business. 3. Monitor the application in production. Monitor the AI application in production to ensure that it is performing as expected and to identify any issues or errors that arise. This includes monitoring the application's performance, response time, and error rates. 4. Use automated testing and deployment pipelines. Use automated testing and deployment pipelines to ensure that the application can be deployed quickly and reliably. This includes using continuous integration and continuous deployment (CI/CD) pipelines to automate the testing and deployment process. 5. Ensure security and privacy. Ensure that the AI application is secure and respects users' privacy. This includes implementing appropriate security measures, such as encryption and access controls, and complying with data protection regulations, such as GDPR and CCPA. By following these best practices, you can effectively deploy AI applications to production and ensure that they provide value to the business and its users.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.